Good evening students. Today we will discuss about the removing of temporary hardness of water. As you know that the temporary hardness of water is due to the presence of magnesium and calcium hydrogen carbonates. The metals are magnesium and calcium, and the compound that is formed is magnesium hydrogen carbonate or calcium hydrogen carbonate. But in case of permanent hardness, it is due to the presence of magnesium and calcium chlorides or sulfates. So we can remove the temporary hardness basically by following two guidelines, that is your by boiling or by the Clerk's method. As you know that we cannot separate a substance that is soluble in water, that is already dissolved in water. So we can separate that particular substance if we make it insoluble. So the easiest way is to boil the temporary hard water. We can boil the magnesium hydrogen carbonate and we will get an insoluble substance that remains as a precipitate, you can say, that is your magnesium hydroxide plus carbon dioxide that is removed or that goes out of the solution because it is a gas. So the precipitate settles down, the substance becomes insoluble and settles down, and the pure water or soft water is obtained. Now here what happens is the same for calcium hydrogen carbonate, but here you are not going to get calcium hydroxide but calcium carbonate, which is the insoluble portion in water now, plus water plus carbon dioxide. Here also water is present, no doubt, but here we are showing only that only the reaction of the compound, the breaking of the compound, but already water is there, you know. In this case, one extra water molecule is produced by using this method, by using calcium hydrogen carbonate. Whatever water is there, the number of molecules is increased by 1 because there is a product water here. So this also settles down and you can get the soft water. Carbon dioxide is released. The second method is the Clerk's method, in which we are going to use calcium hydrogen carbonate reacting with calcium hydroxide. We will get calcium carbonate, which is a precipitate portion, plus water. Next, magnesium hydrogen carbonate plus 2 calcium hydroxide will give calcium carbonate, which is the insoluble portion, and we will get magnesium hydroxide plus water. So you can see here we are getting carbonates or carbon dioxide. Since here carbonate is one of the part of magnesium hydrogen carbonate, so you are getting carbon dioxide, or you are getting sometimes like calcium carbonate, either carbonate compounds or carbon dioxide directly. But in case of Clerk's method, you see here you will get always calcium carbonate, calcium carbonate. But if you are using magnesium hydrogen carbonate, one extra molecule you will get, that is your magnesium hydroxide, and in both the reactions extra water molecules are produced from the reaction.